In this video, we explore some answers to this question: how do I get started in internet marketing? Well, make sure you stay tuned because I am going to give you some step-by-step strategies to help you see success with internet marketing. By the end of this tutorial, you will have some powerful strategies which can help you improve your online marketing strategy. So pay attention and keep watching because this might be the most important video that you see this week. Hi, my name is Ashley. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss any new videos. Please make sure you give the video a like because that tells me you find these videos useful. Let's get right into it. So let me start by telling you marketing is and always has been about reaching customers where they are. TV commercials, print advertisements and billboards all attempt to do just that. The internet offers unique benefits other marketing mediums can't offer. Scope of reach, the option to personalize content, and the opportunity to build far-reaching relationships with customers being just a few. But the internet can be an overwhelming and all-encompassing entity filled with videos and recipes and news articles and e-commerce sites. In the crowded space of the internet, how are you supposed to differentiate your business to reach the right audience? The answer is internet marketing. Internet marketing leverages digital channels including email, social media, websites, and search engines to reach your ideal audience. Unlike more traditional advertising mediums such as print, the internet encourages two-way conversations between your business and your customer, ideally creating better long-term customer retention. There's no avoiding it. Internet marketing is critical for the success of your business in 2023 and beyond. But with all the gimmicks and tricks, it can be difficult to distinguish short-term wins from effective long-term strategies, which is why I am going to give you some helpful strategies. Here I am going to tell you some marketing strategies to ensure your business reaches the right people out of that 4 billion. Let me now tell you what internet or online marketing is. Online marketing, also known as internet marketing or web advertising, is a form of marketing that uses the internet to deliver promotional messages to customers through digital channels such as search engines, email, websites, and social media. Online marketing strategies include web design, SEO, email, social media, PPC, and other internet-related methods. Let me now tell you about the role of internet marketing. Simply put, the role of internet marketing is to help your business reach, attract, and convert online audiences. Let's dive into 2 separate goals you'll have with internet marketing as well as the necessary methods you'll want to take to achieve those goals. Let me tell you about internet marketing to attract new customers. You can use online marketing strategies to attract new customers. To do this, you'll want to focus primarily on paid social media ads, search engines, and web design. For instance, you might use Facebook's lookalike audiences to get your message in front of an audience similar to your core demographic. Or you could pay a social media influencer to share images of your products to her already well-established community. Paid social media can attract new customers to your brand or product, but you'll want to conduct market research and A/B testing before investing too much in one social media channel. To attract new customers, you also need to maintain a powerful SEO presence. With 80% of shoppers using the internet for research before making purchasing decisions, it's imperative your business is at the forefront of search for related keywords. Having a strong SEO presence also translates to more in-store purchases as well. In fact, 78% of local mobile searches result in an offline purchase. Finally, it's critical you spend time and resources on your business's website design. When these aforementioned customers find your website, they'll likely feel deterred from trusting your brand and purchasing your product if they find your site confusing or unhelpful. For this reason, it's important you take the time to create a user-friendly and mobile-friendly website. Let me tell you about internet marketing to cultivate brand loyalists. Internet marketing is for more than just attracting new customers. It's also critical for maintaining a loyal long-term customer base. You'll want to use email, blogging, and social media tactics to increase brand awareness, cultivate a strong online community, and retain customer loyalty. Consider sending personalized emails to past customers to impress or inspire them. For instance, you might send discounts based off what they've previously purchased, wish them a happy birthday, or remind them of upcoming events. To properly employ email campaigns, you'll need an email list. Let me tell you how to build an email list from scratch. Additionally, you might use social media to showcase your brand's personality and hear directly from your customers. Consider hosting a Twitter chat, posting surveys on Instagram, or creating fun contests on Facebook. If you don't feel like you have the bandwidth to create all social media content internally, consider using a third-party service like UpContent, which sends you compelling curated content that you can share with your audiences for increased engagement. Internet marketing versus content marketing. Content marketing and internet marketing are incredibly similar strategies used to attract leads and prospects to your site and ultimately convert web traffic into customers. However, there are a few slight differences between the two. Content marketing lives under the roof of online internet marketing, which means online internet marketing is the more broad, overarching strategy, and content marketing is one process within that strategy. Content marketing applies only to the process of creating and distributing content to reach audiences. Online marketing, on the other hand, encompasses sharing that content through email, search engines, and social media. It also includes paid advertising, retargeting, and a wide range of strategies you might use to reach audiences online. While most of the strategies that fall under online marketing have to do with content creation, online marketing also pertains to the non-content creation tasks of internet marketing, such as PPC bidding or website design. Let me now give you some strategies you'll want to implement to ensure success with internet marketing. Here we go. Number 1. Keep TikTok in mind. Without question, TikTok's popularity soared as the pandemic kept many people at home and in need of connection and entertainment, and that popularity isn't expected to wane anytime soon. While LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram have the highest ROI for B2B businesses, TikTok is quickly becoming the app to invest in. Through research, I have found that while just 40% of B2B social media marketers leverage TikTok, 65% of those who do plan on increasing their investment in 2023, the highest increase of any social platform. If at any point you want to advance your marketing skills and you want step-by-step training with experts to learn and understand internet marketing, I highly recommend you click the link under the video now and check out the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all of the digital marketing skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look. So let's now get back to those tips. Here we go. Here is the next strategy. Consider podcasts and audio chat rooms to make connections. Podcasts are gaining more attention as influencers, celebrities, and comedians continue to step into the medium. Despite low ROI, investment in podcasts or other audio content is expected to grow in 2023. My research shows that just 14% of social media marketers leverage audio chat rooms like Clubhouse and Twitter Spaces, but 68% of those who do say they are the most effective social media marketing platforms they leverage. 51% of those who already leverage podcasts or other audio content will invest more in 2023, and 43% plan to continue investing the same amount. Additionally, 26% of content marketers plan to leverage podcasts or other audio content for the first time in 2023. Essentially, if you're not leveraging podcasts and audio chats in your marketing strategy, your competition most likely will. Let me give you another strategy. Lean into short-form video content. With the enduring popularity of TikTok, audiences are gravitating more and more towards short-form videos. Short-form videos continue to be the norm as Instagram and YouTube push similar short-form video features such as Reels and Shorts respectively. I have found 30% of marketers are currently leveraging short-form video and 29% plan to leverage it for the first time in 2023. In this survey, we specified short-form videos like TikTok and Instagram Reels, yet another reason to keep an eye on TikTok. Here is another strategy: repurpose content across various channels. Repurposing content means reusing your existing content and presenting it in a fresh format that extends its lifespan and audience reach. A survey found that 32% of marketers who repurpose content say this method is among their most effective marketing strategies. Let me give you some examples of repurposing content. Sharing old blog posts you've updated with new information, fresh data, and video content. Using video clips of podcast recordings, sessions on Instagram to create intrigue and excitement over an upcoming episode. Let me ask you a question. Which strategy from this video are you going to use first? Leave a comment under the video and let me know. So the things that I have covered in this tutorial will help you get started in internet marketing. If you want help and you want to advance your online marketing skills and you want step-by-step training with experts, click the link under the video now and visit the Internet Business School, the UK's leading internet marketing training company. It will give you all the digital marketing skills and knowledge you need to create a profitable online business. If you're interested in that, which I hope you are, click the link in the description box under the video and take a look. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you feel it was valuable, please share it with your friends, like it and tell people about it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment under the video below and I will follow up with you. Thanks for watching.